Hey everyone. I am so excited that I got this new magazine and I kind of wanted to show it to you because if you're able to get this magazine in your country or where you live, I love it. It looks collagey or mixed media art already, and it just gives me so many ideas. And one of the favorite things that I like about it is that it actually repeats photos or artwork. So I'll give you an example of that. It is a British magazine, I'm assuming, because the only price tag is in pounds. I figured we'd go page by page just to kind of give you a gentle, creative boost. And if you ever see this magazine, I would suggest picking it up. So let's go. The first thing I absolutely love about it is that it has textured paper and a bunch of different weights of paper, which is great. Here's our first example of a repeat photo or drawing, which I kind of really like because if you wanted to use some of this and then wanted to use it the other half for a collage that's different, you would be able to do that. Here's that photo again, kind of like gives you a little bit more to work with too. I love all of the like crafty looking graphics. This I can just see like these stars and this brain being used for something, little eyeballs. Yeah, I can see a lot of things with this. I love having people. It kind of, can put them in a very strange, surreal situation. And having a lot of them is nice to have. And they all look very similar, same size, close to the same size. And again, I like the blank pages that are different colors. I mean, this alone already looks like a collage. They have photographs as well. And again, the textures of just using the background would be great. Again, here is the same photo, but in kind of an enlarged section. I can imagine adding some other like graphics to make like a whole person. Oh, these are really nice. I like these. And again, a solid sheet. This is another repeat image. Nice patterns, I like that. I love this one. This one is so creepy, but it could be used for a lot of different things. Oh yeah, this. Here's that photo just in a kind of a different perspective again. And another one. So you have a lot of the same photos that have a lot of the same color patterns. I like just even this geometric, something that you don't have to necessarily create. Or if you like this idea, you could actually try to create this kind of just by looking at it and replicating it with paper that you have. That's a good kind of training exercise or getting yourself out of block. Oh, this is kind of got like a gradient. This is also a repeat graphic. I really like these birds. It's rare that you find so many in a different type of position. There's that same image, but like more kind of cascading out. And added images so that you could add them if you wanted to. I love these. These kind of like look surreal, realistic, kind of a, yeah, I like this a lot. Oh, this is another repeat image. And again, this is a really good way of using just kind of like solid tones of paper and creating mountaintops. You could try this on your own. This is a collage on its own and it looks really beautiful. Some photos to work with. And I like that they're the same size, so you could blend the faces, blend the bodies in a really interesting way. Again, that same photo. I like these. Oh, and I like that. I like this for sure. I hope you enjoy these. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice shiny paper. I enjoy them because it gives me a chance to be excited about new material and also show you some ideas of like what would be going on in my mind when I'm looking through them. And I just noticed that this photo, this graphic, and that graphic is the same. It's very rare to get two of the exact same or very similar graphic in the same magazine at the same time. So you could really play with that a lot. Thanks for showing up and thanks for staying the whole time. I really appreciate it. And if you want to subscribe, I would love it. If you want to like the video, that would be great. And if you want to check out this video, or actually, I think it's going to be this way. If you want to check out that video, it would help me out and help out my algorithm. I'll see you later. Bye.